Today we will be learning about how to write a friendly letter. A friendly letter is a type of informal communication that is written for a friend or someone who you are close with. The purpose is to keep in touch with the person who is receiving the letter. Here is an example overview of all the parts of a friendly letter. Now, let's learn about them in detail. The first thing you must start with when writing a friendly letter is the heading. The heading goes in the top right-hand corner of the letter and consists of the return address as well as the date the letter was sent underneath. The heading is important because it allows the reader to see when the letter was sent and the address in which to send a response to. Here is an example of the heading. Next, the letter needs a greeting. This is placed under the heading at the left side of the letter. The greeting depends on the nature of the relationship between you and the person you are sending the letter to. Examples of greetings could be hello and hi, but the most common greeting is dear. Once you decide on a greeting, it should be followed up with the person's name. Both the greeting and the person's name should be uppercase and then ended with a comma. The greeting is important so the reader can first know who the letter is for and then understand the mood of the letter. Here is an example of the greeting. The next part of the letter is called the body. The body is where the contents of the letter goes. This should be written in paragraph form in which each new idea is separated by paragraphs. The beginning of each paragraph should also be indented. Here you can include anything you want to tell the reader, such as how you are doing and what is going on in your life. It is also a good idea to put questions in your letter so that the reader knows what they can talk about when they write you back. Here is an example of the body part of this letter. The final piece of the friendly letter is the closing and signature. The closing is placed 2 lines under the last sentence of the body. It includes a short capitalized expression such as sincerely, your friend, or even with love. Underneath this, be sure to sign your name so the reader knows who the letter is from. Here is an example of the closing and signature piece of the letter. Let us now review how to write a friendly letter. There needs to be a heading, greeting, body, and closing. Now we have been taught how to write a friendly letter.